Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. First, we draw the cutting part. We draw a curve. We draw the leaves. We draw a big circle. Now, it's time to coloring. Brown color. Green color. Red color. Wow! It's so beautiful! Red color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.